If you've ever found yourself staring at Adobe's product lineup and wondering, what's the real difference between Acrobat Reader and Acrobat Pro? You're far from alone. In today's video, we're breaking down 3 clear differences between these two popular PDF tools. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs, whether you're just opening documents, collaborating with a team, or managing sensitive information. Let's jump right in by looking at one of the biggest distinctions: functionality. Acrobat Reader is designed for everyone who needs to view, print, or sign PDF files. Think of it like the paperback book version of PDF management. You can open up documents, fill in simple forms, add your signature, highlight passages, and even drop in sticky notes to leave comments. That covers the basics most folks need for day-to-day work or reading. But say you need more muscle, that's where Acrobat Pro steps in. Acrobat Pro doesn't just open and lightly annotate. It lets you dig deep, editing text and images that are already inside the PDF. Need to fix a typo or swap out a graphic? Acrobat Pro's got you covered. You can even create new PDFs from scratch using almost any file type: Word docs, PowerPoints, images, which is perfect for compiling reports or sharing polished proposals. And if you ever need your PDF as a Word file or an Excel spreadsheet, Acrobat Pro can export your document into other formats with just a couple of clicks. This level of control is ideal for professionals, content creators, or anyone working with documents that need updating and repurposing on a regular basis. Next, let's talk about form creation and management, another area where the gap between Reader and Pro gets wider. Acrobat Reader makes it easy to fill out and sign existing forms, which covers most routine tasks like signing contracts, filling tax documents, or completing feedback forms. It's simple and straightforward, no technical hiccups or learning curve involved. However, if your work involves creating forms for others to fill out, say you're running a business, gathering survey responses, or collecting registrations, Acrobat Pro steps in as a real powerhouse. With Pro, you can design interactive, fillable forms right within your PDF. You can add buttons, checkboxes, digital signature fields, drop-down menus, the kind of dynamic elements that transform a flat document into an interactive experience. Plus, Pro lets you manage and track these forms, so you can monitor who's responded or even collect signatures digitally. It's like moving from filling out someone else's crossword puzzle to designing your own and hosting a tournament. Finally, let's dig into document organization and security features. Acrobat Reader, while solid for viewing, doesn't let you shuffle pages around, split a PDF into separate files, or combine documents together. If you're dealing with a lengthy contract and want to extract just the key sections, or if you need to merge several reports for a team project, Reader just can't do that. Acrobat Pro, on the other hand, gives you a full toolbox. Rearranging pages, splitting one PDF into many, or merging several files into a single organized document becomes a breeze. And when it comes to security, say you're sending confidential information, you can add permanent redactions, set password protection, insert watermarks, and even compare different versions of a document to track changes. With Pro, you're equipped to keep sensitive data safe and documents perfectly tailored for any situation. All right, to sum up, Acrobat Reader is fantastic for basic tasks: opening, reading, commenting, and signing PDFs. Acrobat Pro takes things much further, unlocking professional editing, form creation, organization, and top-level security. So, whether you're dealing with a simple application form or managing confidential contracts, you'll know which tool fits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with these tools, please drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more clear, real-world tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel and join our learning community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.